What is better than a notebook? A beautiful notebook. What is even better? Your own painting on the notebook cover. When you don't know what to paint, choose a dragon. A dragon is always a good idea. Start with a sketch. No, start with a puzzle, paint it with a base color, then create a little sketch and a puzzle side sketch. Transfer the sketch and paint, paint, paint. When it is dry, take all the pictures and upload your favorite to a Canva template for a notebook. Order and enjoy. Oh, this is a whole other video.